How to fix Modern Warfare 2 Assert error assertion failed bad event handle. 1. Check system compatibility. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Update graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Update Visual C++ redistributable. 4. Verify the game files. Like this. 5. Run Modern Warfare 2 as an admin. Like this. 6. Disable antivirus and firewall temporarily. 7. Uninstall, reinstall, update your new Modern Warfare 2.